Hello children, welcome to today's e-class. Today we are going to learn the lesson number 12. The name of the lesson is The Ghost in the Well. This story is written by S. Mukherjee. Children, do you believe in ghosts? No. Okay, but all of us enjoying listening to story about them. Children, all the ghost stories are not a frightening or in death and disaster. The story we are going to discuss is a funny ghost story. In most ghost story, there are a number of scary and frightening elements, but here is only laughter. There is actually no ghost, but it still help cure a sick person. It is comical to see how an entire procession goes to the well, prophet a ghost who has no existence. The way the doctor and the merchant recite the meaningless Sanskrit mantra is also funny. This incident was narrated to writer's grandfather by his friend. Once there was a rich merchant in Agra who had sent for the famous physician of Kolkata because he was suffering from stomach disorder. No doctor in Agra was able to cure him. When the doctor reached Agra, he was put up at a comfortable hotel and horse-drawn carriage was placed at his disposal. On doctor's first visit to the merchant, he observed the merchant's lifestyle and behaviors. The merchant was rich, he loved to food and disliked exercise. This made him unfit and sick. The doctor understood that there was really nothing wrong with him except severe indigestion, and doctor prescribed the as usual medicines. No medicine was working on him because he was refusing to change his habits. The doctor also understood that merchant would not listening to sensible advice of reducing the intake of rich food and increasing physical activities. Then the doctor invented a ghost story, as he knew that the merchant would be afraid of making a ghost angry. Therefore, the doctor had made up the story of a ghost, being responsible for the merchant's illness. Doctor advised the merchant to walk up to the well where the ghost lived and advised him to throw a basket full of flour in it. Children, there was actually no ghost. It was just to make the merchant exercise and regain his power of digestion. The next morning, the whole household was ready and waiting for the doctor. An impressive procession comprising the merchant and the whole household with the large number of flowers walked to the well. There the doctor pronounced a mantra in Sanskrit and the flowers were thrown into the well. The journey back was made in carriage. From that day, the practice was followed regularly. After some days, the patient's health began to improve and he regained his power of digestion. Then, in a month, he was all right. Continued the practice of going to the well and throwing in a basket full of flour with his own hand. After a month, the doctor returned from Agra, having earned a fabulous fee. So dear children, we have gone through this story. It is clear that the merchant was cured not because of his going to the well and throwing flour in it, but he cured because of his physical exercise that he performed regularly, that give him a good health. Very often we believe in superstitions and we act according to it, but we fail to discover the real cause, just as the merchant in this story. So, with this, thank you.